You've probably seen all the influencers flying business class, sipping champagne in airport lounges, and staying at luxury resorts, all booked for free with credit card points. But let's be real, if you're new to the game, it's confusing as hell. Which cards do you actually need? How do you even get started without blowing money on annual fees? So let me tell you this, I started with just 3 of these cards a little over a year ago. That's it. Fast forward to now, I've earned over 1 million points. And yeah, I've flown business class to Europe, stayed in 5-star hotels, and barely paid a dime. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 must-have credit cards to finally start playing the points game like the pros do. These are the starter cards, the real foundation to unlock the true travel rewards. And hey, stick around till the end because I'll reveal a 4th premium credit card that's totally free and could earn you thousands of dollars in travel rewards every year just by paying your monthly rent. Yeah, you don't want to miss that. Let's dive in. Let's kick it off with the Chase Sapphire Preferred, hands down the best bang for your buck travel card out there. The annual fee is $95, but you can wipe that to 0 with 2 easy moves. Number 1, book just 1 hotel night through Chase Travel Portal. Boom! You get $50 back. Number 2, you get complimentary subscription to DoorDash. So you just need to order from DoorDash once a month, and that's another $50 saved. Now that's a total of $100. So that $95 fee, gone. But here's the real reason why you need this card. It unlocks the 14 different Chase transfer partners, like United, Emirates, Air France, British Airways, or even hotels like Hyatt. What is transfer partners, you ask? Transfer partners are hotels and airlines that have partnered with the credit card so you can convert your credit card points into super valuable hotel and airline miles. So you are no longer stuck with the 1 cent per point cash redemption value. This is the key that opens doors to serious travel rewards. With that, let's move on. Next up, this one's for our foodie friends. Here's your card, the American Express Gold. The annual fee is slightly higher at $325, but if you eat, which we all do, you can offset that real fast. Here's how you can do that. First of all, you get $20 per month credit for Uber Eats or Grubhub. That's $240 of annual credit. Second, if you are a coffee person or even love donuts, you get $7 per month credit at Dunkin' Donuts. That's another $84 of annual credit. Third, if you want to eat fancy every now and then, hit a Resi restaurant twice a year, and you get a total of $100 in credit. Add that up, that's a total of $424 in food perks. You're now $99 in profit just for eating. While it may feel like you are already winning with this card, let's not get sidetracked. Let's talk about the real reason why you need this card. First, it earns a whopping 4 times on all dining and grocery spending. It doesn't get better than this. Second, this card unlocks the most valuable Amex transfer partners like Delta, ANA, Qatar, Hilton, and Marriott. So, all the points you earn by swiping this card for food can be converted to super valuable hotel and airline miles. Next, let's level up. To enjoy true travel luxury perks without bleeding cash, check out the Capital One Venture X. The annual fee is $395, but let me break it down how you can wipe that off too. First, book 1 flight a year in the Capital One travel portal and get up to $300 in credit. Second, hold the card and get 10,000 bonus points at each anniversary. That's a minimum of $100 in cashback value. There you go. That's more than $400 in value. You're now already in profit with this card. And don't even get me started with the perks that comes with this card. You get free access to airport lounges for you and your guests, TSA pre-check, free upgrades at Hertz Car Rental, and even cell phone insurance. That's like another $400 in annual value. This card is basically a cheat code for traveling in style. Now, let's not get sidetracked. Here's the real reason why you need this card. It unlocks 18 different Capital One transfer partners, like Turkish Airlines, Air Canada, Etihad, and hotels like Wyndham, so you can convert U-points into super valuable hotel and airline miles. Alright, you have made it through the top 3 must-have credit cards to join the pros in the game. Because you stayed this far, here's a bonus credit card. This one is for all the renters out there. Renters, pay attention. The Bilt Mastercard is a must-have. This card has no annual fee and earns points on rent without a transaction fee. No other credit card does this. Isn't that crazy? And here's the best part. It's not just a regular reward credit card. This card gives you access to 18 different Bilt transfer partners like United, American, Hyatt, and more. This card's a no-brainer for renters who want free travel. So here's the recap of the top starter credit cards. First, Chase Sapphire Preferred, gateway to travel. Second, Amex Gold, food lover's dream card. Third, Capital One Venture X, premium luxury perks. And finally, Bilt. This one's renter's no-brainer. Together with these credit cards, your wings are now spread across all major credit card platforms and their valuable transfer partners. You now have a solid foundation to build more premium card on top of this to be on your way to become a points millionaire. You've got the tools, now go get those points like a pro and travel like a boss. Want more tips to travel like a pro on a budget? Hit that subscribe, smash the like, and drop a comment with your dream destination. Follow for more credit card hacks.